Part 2 of our instructional series on building a Stratocaster guitar. So last time we imported our blueprint and we sized it properly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename our default to outline. And I'm going to change the color so it's a bit easier to see when I'm drawing it on our blueprint here. Now I'm going to go into top view, and using our control point curve tool, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trace the body, and then after I'm going to talk about which pockets we need to trace. I'm going to use a degree of 2 like I did with the Telecaster as well. Alright, so I'm done the outline of the guitar. So I'm just going to go over the pockets that we have to do for this one. So we're going to have to do all of these pockets around the pickups here, and we're going to have to connect them, all 3 of them. We're going to have to do the volume control pocket, our input jack pocket, which is right here, and we're also going to have to outline a pocket that's on the back of the guitar. So we're going to have to do this pocket here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. You can follow along in your program as well. So just a reminder, when you're trying to make a really tight corner like this, you need to place two dots, two control points, so that the curve can make the tight bend. If you don't, and you just place one in the corner and try and make the bend and go down here, you'll get this big arc. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo that. I'm going to put two in the corner there so I can make a nice sharp bend. Alright, so when we get to this part of the model, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to replicate what I did on this side over here. I'm going to finish and close it up here. I'm not going to follow this dotted line all the way around. This is going to be a separate curve that we're going to draw. So go all the way around that screw. Alright, so that curve is done. I'm going to go ahead and do the volume control curve. I'm going to turn off near and points so that I can draw right through this curve. Going to do the input jack hole. Going to do the bridge. I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to go to the back over here. I'm going to do the last pocket we have to cut. So in our blueprint, this one is drawn a little bit smaller, so we're going to have to rescale it once we're done. Alright, so all of our curves are done. I'm going to go ahead and delete our picture frame background. Going to leave this curve here for now. We're going to use this one later. So that's everything we need to outline. Oh, actually I did forget to do the neck. So I just Command Z that, and I'm going to do one more outline for the neck pocket. And I'm going to use our outline tool this time instead of our rectangle tool, because our neck has a bit of a taper and it has a pretty big arc on this side. So I'm going to go ahead, just do that in outline, and I'm going to go past the body of the guitar. So this will make it easier when we're doing our Boolean splits later on. I'm going to make sure that I go past the body of the guitar here too and line it up with this section of the neck right here. Alright, so now I'm going to get rid of our background, our blueprint, and that is everything we need to have done for our outline. I'm just going to drag this over here in the corner so I don't forget about it later. And that is all for our outline.